It's not looking good. It's not looking good at all. So, just check the weather, and apparently we're supposed to be getting hit with a winter storm Hunter. Well, you already knew that, but we're supposed to be getting sleet, ice, and I think freezing rain and sleet. I think the same exact thing. Really? What the hell? Anyways, let me go into the light. Really? Thanks for that. Okay, are they trying to piss me off? Because they really are. I'm just going to ignore it. Anyways, back to what I'm about to smash this camera into a zillion pieces if this bullshit keeps up. Seriously. Anyways, you know, I can't do this out here. This is fucking making me pissed. I can't do it out here. This is a disaster. Oh great, well, what's up? You got to be kidding me, man. Now someone is apparently gonna back out of the... I'm fine. Even though I'm getting pissed, I'm fine. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Hopefully this time. So, it's not looking good. Before I started recording, I checked the weather for tomorrow night, and, well, once again we get hit with Winter Storm Hunter. Well, you already knew that, but the part you didn't know is, like I said, we're gonna be getting sleet, ice, and snow tomorrow night. And that's not all. Apparently, we could potentially have some power outages in the area tomorrow, as well as some down trees because of all the snow and ice accumulations. So they're not good at all. And now, hopefully I can continue on with the rest of the video, as long as, you know, I don't get interrupted by complete nonsense. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to squeeze past there. Great. I mean, come on, man. I mean, is everything going to prevent me from making this fucking video? Seriously, I've had it. Really, man. Anyways, so yeah. Gonna be getting hit with Winter Storm Hunter tomorrow. Yeah. Definitely not a good time to be alive right about now. Not a good time at all. I swear to God, it keeps on getting worse. It really does. So... is it ever going to end? I don't think it is. So, just now, I just heard on the news that apparently there was a school bus fire right on the fucking highway. Right where I live too. Check this out.
We continue to follow breaking news on I-40 at Covington Pike. You see, this is eastbound. Traffic is still creeping by. That bus crash. We do know that bus was on fire. It's a Shelby County Schools bus that was on fire. We do not know if or who was on board at the time, whether it was just the driver on the way back after a route or if there were any children on board. But we do know for a fact that no one was treated on the scene for injuries. No one was taken to the hospital. But again, you see those first responders, they have shoved traffic to the outermost lane, So traffic on I-40 at Covington Pike is going to be backed up for quite some time until they're able to clear that area. If you have to head that way, or if you know someone heading home that way after rush hour, they're going to be late. We'll keep you updated on this situation throughout the newscast and on Fox 13 News at 6.
Hopefully, you see what I mean by this shit. I mean, I don't know what else to say. This has just become ridiculous now. And here it comes. Well, not the snow part, the rain part. Yeah, they said that before we get snow, the temperatures are expected to drop overnight, and yeah, it's expected to turn to sleet and freezing rain and snow. So yeah, this is where it all begins, with rain. This is fantastic. And the right big girl. Don't even care.
I can't sleep. I have to call in sick tomorrow.
Call in sick
Wait a minute.
When you can't take a sick day.
Wait, hold on. Did they really just skip the weather? Are you kidding me?
I don't want to go for a jog. I'm too tired for this.
The fuck? So just now they were about to play the weather, and as you saw, I went to go turn it up because I wanted to hear it, but apparently they skipped and went right to the commercials. The fuck? Calm down. Well, fuck it. Oh, and apparently I got wet a little bit. Great. But that is annoying as hell. Fuck. So, while it's still time... Okay, you know what? This is not worth it. You can't see a damn thing. Fuck, man. Well, looks like I'm gonna be getting the mail on camera then, since you can't even see anything. So we can forget that idea. Yeah, the video today has been nothing but a complete disaster. Seriously. In the right, big girl. Now it's really coming down now, isn't it, big girl? The rain. And here comes some more wind too. Really coming down now. Yeah, the part that kind of freaks me out about tomorrow is the fact that, well, they said, once again, they said that we could potentially have some power outages in the area, as well as some down trees, and that kind of freaks me out, because, well, I really don't want a repeat of the 2015 ice storm, if you remember that, but, yeah, it looks like we might have an event similar to that tomorrow, so yeah. And that fucking dog is barking at me once again, as usual. I mean, really? Whoa. Kicked that by accident. And by the way, yes, I'm well aware it's raining right now. I mean, whatever. Every time I come, shit. Wind is blowing directly in my, not wind, rain is blowing directly in my face now because of this wind. Yeah, every time I come out here, that damn fucking dog always barks at me. Every fucking time. Every time. To be honest, I'm losing my patience with that. Let's probably close the door here now. I really am losing my patience with that fucking dog. I really am. I mean, it's annoying already. It really is annoying. No offense, Gibbsy. No offense, big boy. Yeah, you're a tiger, don't you, big boy? You're having fun, aren't you, Gibbsy? Aren't you, big man? I guess so. So that's going to be for today, unless if I get another update on the winter storm. But until that happens, that's going to be it for today.